This knot is strong, adjustable, and has a movable loop. This knot is a practical and interesting rope knot. One side becomes tighter when you pull it, while the other side allows you to adjust the size of the loop. That means you can make the loop larger or smaller and set it exactly to the size you need. One of the amazing features of this knot is that when pressure is applied to the rope, it tightens itself, but when you want to, it can be easily released with the right movement. You can use this knot for camping, fishing, securing gear, everyday tasks, rope adjustment, and many outdoor activities. The advantages of this knot: it is quick to tie, strong and reliable, has an adjustable loop, and is very easy to use. On this channel, I teach many different, easy, and strong knots for various purposes. So if you enjoy learning amazing knots, like the channel, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Congratulations! You have just learned how to tie and untie a magical knot.